Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Happy New Year and compliments of the season. So today I'm eating what I just finished cooking, and I'm having Sprite. Wow, I should be drinking wine with this delicacy, but we don't want to be a naughty girl in New Year. First New Year day, we don't want to be a naughty girl. We want to be a good girl. So this is what I'm eating. Okay, now we're gonna manger. These are the food I cooked. You guys want to see? Look at that. You guys see? So I have a prawn with vegetable sauce, prawn sauce with vegetables. I have salmon, and I have rice, and I have my plate here, what I'm gonna be eating. I dish it here. So this is where I dish it, and this is where we're gonna be managing the food. Daddy, can your hand reach that chair? Let me move this bed. Your daddy's towel is showing. This chair, move this away from me there.
Is it showing?
That line down. Oladayo, come. Thank you, that's it.
Okay.
Put the nylon back. I feel I'm leaving. Your pizza is ready.
Is my pizza?
Guys, I didn't even pray. Anyway, I've been praying since morning, so I'm so hungry. My first meal of 2023. Alhamdulillah. Oh, can I have one? Thank you. Have you eaten the prawn yet? It's good, you know. This is the salmon. It's very juicy. It's so yummy. Alamide, you see not eating? Guys, if you see me eating anyhow, Oladayo,
Yes, mommy.
can I have water? If you see me eating anyhow, don't think this is how I eat, okay? I don't think I don't have table manners. I do. I'm so hungry.
Okay.
When I come here and be pretending, I can't. I don't know how to pretend. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
You can't compare water to anything. I'm hungry and the food is yummy. Okay, let's try. I don't eat this kind of food every time. This is classic food. Olowo food. So first day of the month of New Year, I'm eating Olowo food. I'm eating classic rich people's food. So that means this year I'll be rich. Amen. And you see, now all over the chop this kind of food now. All over rich people. Look. Look at the rice, jasmine rice. Now all over the chop am. Can you see how classic this food is? And you are telling me what? Tell me nothing. And this is the fish. You see? Oh, my days. When I becoming rich, I'll play this video and say, oh, I remember the day I was eating posh food and I said, now rich people they chop them. Now I'm rich too. That word means keep positive. For this year, I feel so positive angel will pass. Sit down there and use the table. Put your food on the tray. Put it on the tray, and sit down there. Remove the pillow and the flour and sit there. My hair is pulling one of the carrots. My head wants to eat fresh food only. How about the condition I feed you this morning? All the condition, all the cream. I'll come and chop my own food. I'm full up. Oh, I'm full up. One more. Ọlọ́run ló tún bá ń gbé yẹn síbẹ̀. I can't eat anymore. I'm full up. Ah. Ooh. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys